Hi, I'm Sean with Amped Up Marine, and today we're going to be unboxing the Garmin 943 XSV. This is a 9-inch touchscreen unit from Garmin. This is the GPSmap series, so it is fully networkable with all of their other products from the GPSmap lineup, radars, etc. Open the box, you'll have your documentation. You'll have your trim pieces for the flush mount. You will have your bracket, NEMA 2000 drop cable and T, power cable, some ferrite collars, and your flush mount gaskets, as well as a 12-pin sounder to 8-pin transducer adapter. Under that, you will have your flush mount template, and then you will have the unit. And then under that, you will have your screen cover at the very bottom. Getting into the unit, 9-inch diagonal touchscreen, nice thin mounting profile. On the back of the unit, you will have your 2-pin power port. You will have your single network port, NEMA 2000 and J1939 port, your 12-pin sonar, your BNC analog video input, and then a USB for external card reader. You will also have a little grounding port there, twin micro SD card port on the back. And that's the Garmin 943 XSV. You can find the links to this product in the description below. Again, I'm Sean with Amped Up Marine, and thanks for watching.